What's up friends, and here in this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Merchant Center. So all you have to do is head over to google.com, ensure that you sign into your account of course, and you can click the Google Apps on the upper right hand side. In the list you want to scroll down and you will find the Merchant Center in the list. So you can click on that and you'll be able to access the Merchant Center. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and scroll through and read to understand what the Merchant Center is. Basically you can go ahead and you can set up your products there in the merchant center. So before you jump in, you want to go ahead and click how it works, and you will be able to understand how it actually works. So you can add your products as you can see right here and so forth, right? So as you can see, so you can go ahead and you can scroll through, read and understand what it's all about, right? So you basically list your products. Now to get started, you go ahead and click and start right here in the upper right hand side. And from here, you basically tell Google about your business, right? So, do you sell goods online? You can say yes. And you can put your store. If you don't have any store, you can say no. Do you have a brick and mortar store? You can say yes. You can say no. It's really up to you. And you can just go ahead and choose one of these options if you like. Otherwise, you can say continue, create your merchant center account. So, you go ahead and you click that, and it will allow you to continue. Now you scroll down here as well, guys, and you just choose go to Merchant Center. It's gonna take you right over. Now you can list your company name. So I'm gonna just call this one, for example, Drew Tutorial as an example. Then I will leave the country as is. I'm gonna go ahead and just check these boxes right here if I want to. Then click and continue to Merchant Center. From here, it will ask to verify my identity. So I will need to log in. So click and continue here. And it's going to just allow me to just basically sign in with my Google account. So this is going to now send something to my phone, code there. And I'm going to just go ahead and accept the right number there from my Galaxy S23, as you can see right there. And it's going to redirect me right to Merchant Center, as you can see right here, and I can now go ahead by filling these details. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just skip this for later, and I'm going to do the same thing right here, confirm. Now from here, I'm going to just choose later as well, just to kind of speed up the process so that you can see. Again, we choose later, but in your case, you want to go ahead and fill everything out, guys. I'm going to choose later at this point. And as you can see right here, it basically leads me here. Now, you will see that I have a few options, a few things that I need to fill out. As you can see, 0 of 6 tasks need to be completed. But that's basically because I need to fill in those details, right? In your case, you would go ahead and fill these in, and that's how you'll be able to access the Google Merchant Center. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.